IBPS Clerks Mains Exam Analysis 2021. Today exam was held for the mains of IBPS Clerk, and let's see first what is the exam pattern. So reasoning ability and computer aptitude comprise of 50 questions and maximum marks are 60 marks, and general and financial awareness 50 questions and maximum marks 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude 50 questions 50 marks, and for English section 40 questions 40 marks, and total number of questions were 190, and there are 200 marks awarded for this section. So let's see first of all what are the questions which are asked in today's exam, that is IBPS Clerks Main, which is the section of general awareness. Regarding the first question is based upon RBI nationalism when it was nationalized, the 1st January 1949, and who is the CEO of Ayushman Bharat and first nuclear reactor on moon, and who closed their operation in India, that is PayPal, and GDP prediction by the RBI for the year of 21 to 22, and the validity of demand draft, and Bhavna Kant belongs to which state, headquarters of WTO. So please pause the video and take the screenshot. Who is the president of ISA, that belongs to Solar Association. Individual World Cup, that is which belongs to Serbia. T20 players of the decade, who is the T20 player of the decade, it is Virat Kohli. Representative office of ICICI, and the government of India stake in NABARD, and who frames the rules of PSL, and one question is based on Maradona. And what is regarding the hydro power plant, that is hydroelectric power plant, that is 520 megawatt power plant, one question based on hydroelectric power plant. The mutual fund is regulated by which authority, and what is FASTag RFID, because this is news, because every person who has a vehicle is taxed national highway. So this is based on recent news, that is the current month. So what is the brand finance TCS, and recapitalization amount of public sector bank, and 9mm pistol by DRDO. This belong to science and technology. The first wetland conservation center, and UNESCO Singapore AUKUS get recognized. And what is NEFT remittance, and lighthouse project, one question was based on lighthouse project. National Disaster Management Authority, one question is based on National Disaster Management Authority. Scheduled Commercial Bank, one question is based on Scheduled Commercial Bank. And first Hollywood movie of Irfan Khan was based on one question. The maturity period of Senior Citizens Saving Scheme, this is the current affairs which belong to December 2020. The government launched it is around 18,000. West Bengal Lok Sabha seats, and this is the instrument who belongs to play this instrument, Shahid Parvez. Adivasa Mela, one question is based on Adivasa Mela. And The Struggle of My Life, who is the author, and books and author, this question belongs to books and author. And Tiger Tractor related to one question. So these are all the questions which were asked in the general awareness section. So please pause the video and take the screenshot. So we will be having advanced note of the coming examination, how the questions were asked in the general awareness section. Please don't neglect this section. This will be helpful in the coming exam, that is ECC PO, RBI Grade B, maybe assistant, and National Pension Trust. And coming to the good attempts and how they cut off and how the paper was today. For reasoning section, the good attempts were 19 to 21. The difficulty level was moderate to difficult, and for quant section it was around, the good attempts were 27 to 29, because it was easy to moderate level. And general awareness, as we have already seen, they are most covered in the current affairs. So good attempts were around 28 to 30. The paper difficulty level is easy to moderate, and for English section it was around 21 to 23. It is also easy to moderate. Overall 95 to 103 is the good attempts, and overall difficulty is just moderate. And this is regarding the quantitative aptitude section, how the things were gone and how the questions were asked. So there are 20 questions of DI, that is data interpretation, out of which 5 questions based on tabular DI and 5 questions based on double pie chart, and 5 questions based on case-led DI, and 5 questions specifically based on time, speed, distance, case-led data interpretation. And data sufficiency, there were 5 questions which were easy level, and approximation, there were 5 questions. They are moderate, and some are easy, some are moderate. So overall it is difficult level is moderate. And quadratic equation, that is a new pattern quadratic equation, there are 5 questions, they are easy to moderate. Arithmetic word problems, there are 15 questions, that is the miscellaneous means averages per profit and loss percentage, that belongs to that section. There are 15 questions and they were moderate. Overall 50 questions, and total difficulty level for quant is moderate level. And for the section of reasoning, there were puzzles which were asked for 20 marks, and machine input output, there were 1 question which is absolutely difficult, and logical reasoning, which was moderate. Number of questions were asked, 6 to 7 questions were asked. And coding, that is blood relation, there were 4 questions, they are moderate to difficult. And substitution coding, 2 to 3 questions, they are also moderate. And data sufficiency, there are 3 to 4 questions, they are also moderate. And step based coding decoding, there is 1 question, so please note that step based coding decoding. And some miscellaneous questions which were 10 questions. So overall difficulty is moderate to difficult. This is time consuming because the puzzles were asked. And now we will be focusing upon what are the puzzle questions which are asked. So row puzzle means a person seated in a some persons were seated, 6 persons are seated in a row, 3 rows were there. And next puzzle is based on day month based puzzle, 9 persons 2 variable puzzle, it is time consuming. Another question is day based puzzle, 6 persons with 2 variables, because 2 variable puzzles need some practice. So circular, uncertain, mixed direction, because it belongs to circular arrangement, a person sitting in facing inside and outside. So overall difficulty for the reasoning ability is moderate to difficult. So those who have practiced well, you would have scored very well in this exam. And for English section, reading comprehension consists of 15 questions, and the comprehension, there are 3 comprehensions, 2 are very small and 1 is very big, that is lengthy reading comprehension, RC. So synonyms, there were 2 questions and they were of mediocre, that is easy to moderate. And maths column, that is 4 questions, they were easy. And parajumble, there were 5 questions, that is also easy. And replacement of words means you need to substitute or you need to replace the word, there were 4 questions. And for fill in the blanks, there were 4 questions. So overall difficulty is easy to moderate for English. So this is the analysis of IBPS PO to 2021 exam. So please do take the screenshot of this general awareness section. Thank you, have a great day.